FATF has given Pakistan another extension till June 2021 to comply with the remaining 3 out of 27 points action plan. It was the fourth extension given by FATF to Pakistan for the completion of the agreed action plan to exit grey list.
The FATF recognizes that Pakistan has made significant progress in its effort to improve its anti-money laundering and counter-terrorism financing framework. However, some serious deficiencies remain.
FATF mentioned these 3 points which need further work, demonstrating that terror financing investigations and prosecutions target persons and entities, demonstrating that terror financing prosecution results in effective, proportionate, and dissuasive sanctions, demonstrating effective implementation of targeted financial sanctions against all UN-designated terrorists. In June 2018, FATF announced plans to put Pakistan on the grey list. It cited the reason of weaknesses in the anti-money laundering and combating financing of terrorism regime. It was not the first time Pakistan experienced this designation, as in the past the country was placed on grey list in the year 2008 and 2012 to 15. However, Pakistan is the most prominent country on the grey list of FATF with respect to other countries having bigger military and bigger population. Putting Pakistan on grey list since 2008 has caused $38 billion economic losses. FATF has the standard of 40 recommendations regarding anti-money laundering and combating of financing of terrorism. These recommendations contain measures related to policies and coordination, money laundering and confiscation, terrorist financing and financing of proliferation, preventive measures, reliance, controls and financial groups, transparency and beneficial ownership, powers and responsibilities of competent authorities. By March 2020, Pakistan had complied with 14 points out of 27-point plan given by FATF. In June 2020, the report due to the Joint Working Group was given a grace period of 5 months. Pakistan started taking action against banned outfits starting in 2019. Law enforcement agencies on Wednesday intensified the crackdown on Jaish-e-Mohammed, Jamaat-ud-Dawa and Fly Insaniyat Foundation and other banned outfits with the arrests of more than 100 activists and takeover of nearly 200 seminaries. In the review of latest plenary of FATF, it was accepted that Pakistan has largely addressed 24 out of 27-point action plan.
और पिछली प्लेनरी में, यानी ये जो अभी प्लेनरी हुई है, इससे पिछली प्लेनरी में बाकायदा FATF कंट्रीज़ ने और FATF सेक्रेटेरिएट ने ये कहा कि ब्लैक लिस्टिंग अब पाकिस्तान के लिए ऑप्शन नहीं रहा, क्योंकि पाकिस्तान ने सिग्निफिकेंट प्रोग्रेस हासिल कर ली है.
Hello guys, if you like the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and do let us know in the comment section what you think about the video.